Welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Antoinette. If you're new, what's up ladies? What's up fellas? What's up royalties? How y'all doing today? I am making a veggie pot pie. I just set the oven for 400, the temperature. If you're looking for a quick veggie pot pie, make it yourself. Make it yourself. All right guys, we're gonna wait. I got 30 minutes on these two pies, so I'll see y'all. I'll call y'all back when it's done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. Don't forget to watch my videos from beginning to end and all that other good stuff. Get into it. Watch hours. I need it. So please watch my playlist over and over and over. Just let it run, even in your sleep. Even in your sleep. This pot pie was quick, easy. I really had a taste for pot pie. I wasn't feeling good. This is when I had the flu bug. And you know, you just want something nice, savory, and something to kind of like make you feel better when you're sick. So I made this pot pie my own way. All of the ingredients came from Walmart, easy to make, and it was very, very tasty. I did use some buttery biscuits. You can buy biscuits from anywhere. I bought these biscuits from Walmart as well to put on top of this pot pie. You can also use a pie crust as well. I used the pie crust for the bottom. I use the biscuits to go on top, and then you can put a pie crust on top right over the biscuits, and that's what I did. I just didn't show y'all that process, but yeah, this is the process to make this easy veggie pot pie. If you want to add meat in it or chicken, you can too. This sauce I got from Walmart. Tried it for the first time. Absolutely delicious. If you want veggies, fresh veggies, y'all know you can do that, but I was sick, so of course I did it the easy way. But yeah, let me show y'all what this looked like done. Let's go ahead and taste our delicious pot pie. It's crispy, it's spicy, but it's good. Ooh, my daughter gonna like this. It's spicy. It definitely has a kick, but it's good. Don't give it to your kids, because it is a kick. Yeah, this is pretty good. I like it. And it's crispy. Absolutely delicious. Until next time, it's Nisha Antoinette. Toodaloo. Thank y'all so much for watching.